Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth and today I will share with you the most recent YouScan updates. To make your work easier, we managed to release the smart tags, add new monitoring sources, add a new metric, and update the visual insights. Now, I'm going to give you more details about each feature and its use case. Shall we start? Social media monitoring is always based on vast amounts of data. Usually, the mention stream is too general for insightful research. For instance, if you represent a bank, it might be useful for you to have separate subtopics for ATMs, customer service, fraud cases, etc. Social monitoring systems have this tag feature that allows you to divide all mentions by subtopics. But we decided to go even further and build a smart tag feature, which automatically labels mentions by categories. Considering the feature is based on machine learning, it can recognize different aspects and criteria to put the right tag on each mention. The only thing needed to enable the smart tags feature is to give the system some references to learn on. After that, an algorithm runs automatic segmentation for you, and no manual work is needed. Smart tags are available as a paid-on, and you can contact our support team for more details. Now, let's move on to the next update. YouScan has had the sentiment analysis feature for a long time as we understand the importance of monitoring the tone of brand discussion. Now, we introduce an additional metric that helps to follow sentiments in dynamics. With a new update, our clients can discover the net sentiment rate, or simply NSR. This metric shows a real-time customer satisfaction level. Besides, you can set different periods to analyze your performance over time. For example, let's compare Burger King and KFC and check their NSRs. As we see, Burger King has a score of 43, while its competitor KFC has only 3, which means that KFC has a lot of work ahead to increase this metric. With the latest update, you can also get more insights from the leading discussion and Q&A platforms, Reddit and Quora. According to SimilarWeb, Quora has over 500 million visits monthly, while Reddit has reached almost 2 billion visitors per month, and its traffic is growing over time. These numbers are convincing enough to understand why it's critical for brands to monitor these social platforms. Recently, we started to collect posts and comments from Reddit, as well as questions, answers, and comments from Quora. This update would be handy for everyone analyzing global markets. For instance, Reddit and Quora are in the top 10 sources where Subway is mentioned. Besides, Reddit and Quora's main trait is that people are used to sharing their experiences about brands in detail. That is why tracking these websites is crucial for any brand. You might have seen the logo comparison feature in our previous digest. In brief, it is used to analyze the context in which your brand's logo appears on images compared to your competitor's logo. With the new update, the system automatically selects options for scenes, objects, persons, and activities featuring your logo that differ the most from competitors. Let's look at the example of Kinder and Linked Sweets. The Kinder logo appears mostly on images together with children and women, while the Lindt logo pops up next to men. However, you do not have to focus on scenes, objects, persons, and activities suggested by the system. You can always select them manually according to your particular needs. Visual analysis is one of the core features of YouScan, so we continuously develop it to make it even more powerful and valuable for our clients. Now, when you can monitor the brand's mentions that don't contain a brand tag or even text, we have added an extra feature called Visual Insights Engagement Chart. It allows you to discover which type of visual content has more engagement than others in general, as well as analyze in detail which objects, scenes, people, and activities are more engaging. This information can help build a marketing and communication strategy and create even more appealing content, or analyze the completed ad campaigns. Brands can also use this feature to find influencers in their niche who have the most engaging content and build relationships with them. These are only a few cases out of many on how Visual Insights Engagement Chart can be used. That's it for today. We have covered all significant updates from late 2020. See you in the next digest. Bye-bye.